Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. Children, last few weeks we discussed about animal life, unit 2. Okay, and last week we learnt about classification of animals. Okay, herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are plant eating animals. Examples see in this picture: giraffe, goat, cow, and deer. And carnivores are flesh eating animals. Examples: lion, tiger, and cheetah. And third one, omnivores, both plant and flesh eating animals. Examples are human, hen, crow, and fox. Okay, children, today also we are going to see the continuation of the same lesson. Okay, children, do you know the parts in your mouth? Yes, what are they? They are lips, teeth, and tongue. Okay, then, do you know the use of teeth, children? Yes, with the help of teeth only, we cut and chew the food. Okay, and children, see in this picture now. Do all the teeth have the same size and shape? No, isn't it? See here, everything in different size and different shape. Okay, so the teeth have a different shape and size based on their functions. Children, today we are going to discuss about a new topic, mouth parts of animals. Okay, a new topic is mouth parts of animals. What is spelling for mouth? M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Okay, children, first we'll see about an elephant. Okay, see, how does elephant eat? Yes, with the help of its trunk. This is called trunk. Okay, so the elephant uses its trunk for picking up food and sucking water. And second, animals, dogs and cats. Dogs and cats use their tongue. Okay, with the help of tongue, what will happen? Lick. Okay, dogs and cats lick liquids. Liquid means anything, water or milk. Okay, the help of their tongue. So dogs and cats lick liquids, water or milk with the help of their tongue. See in this picture how nicely it drinks. Okay, with the help of this tongue. Okay, children, next one is butterfly. Okay, when we consider a butterfly, see, this butterfly has a tube like structure. Okay, like a tube it has. See here, this is called tube like structure. Name is proboscis. 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 Okay, this proboscis helps to butterfly to suck nectar from flowers. Okay, nectar, Nectar, nectar from flowers. Okay, next one, what is this? Mosquito. Okay, this one very famous for us, isn't it? Mosquito has a needle like structure to suck our blood. To suck blood. Okay, and another one is, what is this, children? Yes, this is frog and this is lizards. Okay, and lizards and frogs have a sticky tongue. Okay, see this is called sticky tongue. Okay, sticky tongue. With the help of this tongue only, it catch all the insects. Okay, now see here. See, now this is sticky tongue. It's going to catch that insects. Okay, so lizards and frogs have a sticky tongue to catch insects. Children, now see here, different types of birds are here. Okay, and see, do all the birds have beak? First, what here, which one is beak? Yes, this is beak. Okay, and now, do all the birds have beak? Yes. Do all the birds have same size as beak? No. See here, different beaks are there. Okay, so all the birds have beaks in different sizes and different shapes. Okay, children, now we are going to see about beaks of birds. Okay, here so many birds are there. They are eagle, kingfisher, parrot, woodpecker, sparrow, and duck. Okay, now we will see one by one. First one, eagle. Eagle has strong, sharp, curved beak. Okay, strong, sharp, and curved beak for what? To catch prey and tear its flesh. Okay, and second one, kingfisher. What does kingfisher eat? Yes, fish. Okay, so kingfisher has spear-like beaks. Okay, spear-like beaks for what? For stabbing fish. Okay, for stabbing fish, it has spear-like beaks. Okay, so fish eating birds have all the fish eating birds have spear-like beaks. It is designed for mainly stabbing fish. Okay, and third one, parrot. Parrot, see here, this is hooked. Okay, hooked sharp beak. Okay, hooked sharp beak. It helps to collect and eat the grains. Okay, this hooked and sharp beak helps to parrot to collect and eat the grains. Okay, and another one is woodpecker. Woodpecker, it has a strong chisel. Okay, it's called strong chisel. Beak of woodpecker used to make hole in the trees and catch small insects. Okay, this is called strong, like a chisel. Okay, so strong chisel. See, this is wood. Okay, so here in the hood, what will happen? With the help of this beak, woodpecker used to make hole in the trees. Okay, for what? To catch small insects. Okay, inside the hole, inside the trees, small insects are there. Okay, so with the help of this strong chisel, it's going to pick all the small insects from the trees. Okay, and another one is sparrow. Sparrow has short conical beak. Okay, see, it is so short and conical beak. It helps to crack open the shells and extract the inner nut or seed. Okay, so it helps to open the shells. For example, groundnuts, we can take it here. Okay, crack the shells and extract the inner. Inside nuts are there, isn't it? Nuts or seed, anything is there. So this short conical beak helps to sparrow to crack it and take inner nut or seed. Okay, and last one, duck. Okay, duck has flat beak. It is flat beak that helps to grip plant or insect from water. Okay, duck may. Children, now we are going to do a book activity in page number 87. Okay, draw the beaks of birds which perform the following functions. Okay, draw the beaks of birds which perform the following functions. See here, 3 columns they have given. Okay, eat grains, eats flesh, and here empty columns. See here, in this first column, you have to draw eat grains, bird's beak. Okay, eats grain, bird's beak you should draw here. And here, eats flesh, bird's beaks you should draw here. Okay, and here in this third column, see here they have given some steps to draw a parrot. Okay, from first to 7 steps they have given. Okay, with the help of this step, you are going to draw a cute parrot here. Okay, a new parrot you are going to draw here, and finally you have to color it like this. Okay, next another activity in page number 88. Okay, observe the picture and name the animals in it. Children, here 1 to 6 animal spots they have given. Now we have to find out, okay, which animal spots it is, and we have to write it here. Shall we start, children? Yes, see first one. What is this? Can you guess? Yes, it is lion. Lion. Lion's face, that is. Okay. And another one, second one. Now you yourself try it. What is it? Yes, giraffe. Okay, second one is giraffe. 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 Okay, giraffe's neck, that is. Third one, what is this? Yes, zebra. Okay, zebra's body, that is ZABRA, zebra. Okay, and fourth one, elephant. Okay, elephant's food there, ELEPHANT, elephant. Okay, and this is, what is this? Which one's tail, that is? Tail. Yes, tiger. Okay, tiger's tail it is. So tiger, TIGER. And last one, this is, yes, fish, FISH, fish. So these are the animals they have given here. Children, next we are going to see an interesting topic about food chain. Okay, food chain. Now see this picture, children. This is grass, deer and tiger. Okay, here this grass is food for deer and deer is food for tiger. Okay, likewise plants, here these plants are food for grasshopper and grasshopper is food for frog and frog is food for eagle. And likewise see here so many grains are there and here carrots are there. Carrots are food for rabbit and rabbit is food for fox and fox eaten by eagle. Okay, so likewise we have different varieties of examples for food chain. Okay, first thing, what is food chain? Yes, okay, usually all the food chain starts with plants and ends with carnivores or omnivores. Okay, so this food chain gives important information for us. What is that? All the living things are dependent on, related with each other, one another for their food. Okay, here this grass is eaten by deer and here deer is eaten by tiger. Okay, so this is called food chain. Next topic, food web. Okay, food web. First, now only explain to you what is food chains. Okay, here food web is interconnection of multiple food chains. Okay, see here these are the multiple food chain interconnected with each another, one another. Okay, so interconnection of multiple food chain only called food web. Okay. Children, next we are going to do another book activity in page number 90. Okay, see they have given here incomplete food web. Okay, now we have to complete the food web. Children, first down they have given grass and grains. First we will find this blank. Okay, what will come here? See, grains are eaten by dash and this dash is eaten by cat. Okay, finally cat is eaten by eagle. Okay, so here grains are eaten by rat. Okay, because this rat is eaten by cat. Okay, so grains is eaten by rat and rat is eaten by cat and finally cat is eaten by eagle. Okay, so first answer is rat. And next see this side, grass. Okay, here grass is eaten by insects. Okay, first insects and this insects are eaten by frog. Now we have to find out this frog is eaten by dash and insects also eaten by dash. What will answer? Can you guess, children? Yes, the answer is snake. Okay, because frog is eaten by snake and also insects are eaten by snake and finally snake is eaten by eagle. Okay. Children, next we are going to do another book activity in page number 84. See here, circle the foods that the animal will eat You can choose more than one if applicable. Children, see here, this side they have given some pictures of animal and here they have given some pictures of food. Now we have to select, okay, which one is applicable for particular animal and how to circle it. Now what is the first animal? Lion. So lion eats which one? Yes, it can eat only meat. And second picture, cat. Cat eats both rat and milk. Next, crow. What is this? Crow. Crow also eat both nuts and meat. Last one. What is this? Goat. Goat eats only plants. Okay. Likewise, you have to complete this page, children. Next, another activity in same page itself. Okay. See here. From the given diagram, identify which animal group is represented by B and write 3 examples of it. Children, in A eats only plants and in C eats only flesh. Now we have to fill in B and have to write 3 examples for it. Now eats only plants are there and only flesh also is there. Which one is missing here? Yes, eats both plants and flesh. So plants and flesh means which category is omnivores. Okay, so omnivores examples are crow, hen and man. Okay, children, next we are going to do book back exercises. Okay, evaluation of the second lesson. First, Roman number 1, choose and write the correct answer. 10 choices they have given. Now let's see one by one. First one, mosquito sucks its food. Which of the animals given below suck their food? Options are A, cockroach, B, parrot and C, butterfly. The answer is butterfly. Second one, bear sometimes eats pumpkin and sometimes eats fish. So it is an dash. Options are A, carnivore, B, omnivore and C, herbivore. The answer is B, omnivore. Next, third one, a bird that has beak which helps it to crack open shells and eat the seed inside is dash. A bird that has a beak which helps it to crack open shells and eat the seed inside is. Options are A, sparrow, B, owl, C, kingfisher. The answer is sparrow. Fourth one, flesh-eating animals have well-developed dash. Flesh-eating animals have well-developed dash. Options are A, molars, B, tusks and C, canines. Okay, so flesh-eating animals have well-developed canines. The answer is canines. Fifth one, elephant is a dash. Elephant is a dash. Options are A, herbivore, B, carnivore and C, omnivore. The answer is A, herbivore. Sixth one, choose the carnivore. Okay, choose the carnivore. Options are A, deer, B, lion and C, giraffe. Here which one is carnivore? Yes, lion is a carnivore. So the answer is lion. Next, eighth one, select the animal that has similar eating habit like a bear. Options are A, camel, B, deer and C, hen. The answer is C, hen. Ninth one, find the odd one based on the habitat. Find the odd one based on the habitat. See here, deer, fish and fox are there. Okay, habitat. Deer and fox, they can live in forest. What about fish? Fish can live in water. So, the answer is B, fish. And last one, which of the following has different eating habits compared to the others? Options are, see here, A, elephant, B, cow and C, dog. The answer is dog. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. Okay, children, 5 fill-ups are there. Now let's see one by one. First question, a small habitat is dash. A small habitat is dash. Second question is, butterflies suck dash from flowers. Options are nectar and water. Next, third question is, chisel beak is present in dash. Chisel beak is present in dash. Sparrow, woodpecker. Next, fourth question is, the parrot eats dash. The parrot eats dash. Rats or nuts. Last question, a food chain always begins with dash. Plants or animals. Now let's see with the answers. Okay. See, first one, a small habitat is forest or leaf. The answer is leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Second one, butterflies suck dash. Options are nectar and water. The answer is nectar. Okay, answer is nectar. Spelling of nectar is N-E-C-T-A-R, nectar. Next, third question. Chisel beak is present in dash. Options are sparrow and woodpecker. The answer is woodpecker. Okay, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. Fourth one, the parrot eats dash. Options are rats and nuts. The answer is nuts. So, the parrot eats nuts. N-U-T-S, nuts. Last one, a food chain always begins with dash. A food chain always begins with, options are animals and plants. Okay, the answer is plants. A food chain always begins with plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Children, now we are going to learn 2 question and answers. Okay, see, first question, what is food web? What is food web? W-H-A-T, what? Food. F-O-O-D, food. And web. W-E-B, web. Food web. Answer is, a food web is an interconnection of multiple food chains. A food web is an interconnection of multiple food chains. Spelling, see now. Food web, F-O-O-D, food. Web, W-E-B, web. Interconnection, I-N-T-E-R, inter. Connection, C-O-N-N-E-C-T-I-O-N, interconnection of multiple, M-U-L-T-I-P-L-E, multiple food chain, F-O-O-D, food. Chains, C-H-A-I-N-S, food chains. Okay. So the first question is, what is food web? A food web is an interconnection of multiple food chains. Second question, give an example of a food chain. Okay, see, grass, deer and tiger. Grass, deer and tiger. Grass, grass. Deer, deer. And tiger, tiger. So children, up to this second lesson fully completed. Okay. So today you are going to learn choose and fill ups. Okay. 10 choose and 5 fill in the blanks. Along with that 2 question and answers you are going to learn. Okay. So learn properly. Write clearly. Send to us children. Thank you.